Hi everyone, and welcome back to Kotoff Fix channel. Today, there's a problem with a gray water pump, and we're gonna deal with it. The problem is that the pump is overheating, and we have to find out why this is happening. Its usual temperature when the engine room is hot is approximately 100 degrees. First of all, I will turn it off to let it cool down and so we can work with it. The pump was turned off in the morning and now we are checking a gray water level in the tank. At the moment we have half a tank of water. I guess the pump has already cooled down. Let's check it. The pump has not cooled down much, as it is very hot in the engine room. However, we can work with it. First we need to check if we have suction. Turn on the pump in manual mode. Vibration started. You can see that there is water here, but the pump does not pump it out. Turn off the pump. We should open the floor to see how the pipes go. There can be three main reasons why the pump does not turn off. One of them is air in the system. And we are gonna deal with it now. About the other two, I'll tell you a little later. The level sensor commands the pump to run. But due to the air in the system, the pump does not have enough power to pump out the water and throw it overboard. Let's follow the pipes. Gray water discharge. It goes right overboard. Now we should find suction. Suction takes water from here. Here it is, gray water suction. Under this pipe. This is a gray water suction valve. Close it. We're going to flush the system. We connect fresh water to add more water into the pump. Turn the pump on manual mode. Open the valve a little. Let's see how our pump works. Good water flow. We can fully open the valve and disconnect the hose with fresh water. Everything is fine. We remember that the water level in the tank is 50%. Switch the pump to automatic mode and go to check the water level again. The pump is working in automatic mode now. According to the settings, the pump turns on when the water level reaches 1/4. And when the level falls to 0, the pump turns off. We will wait when the water level falls and the pump will have to turn off. While the pump is pumping out water, I make sure that the pipe is completely filled with water. Pump is cold. The computer shows that the water level has fallen to 1/4. When the water level reaches 0, the pump should stop automatically. At this stage, I should check more often if there is water in the pipes. There is still water. 10 minutes have passed but we can still see the water. I came here just in time, the water is no longer flowing. And the pump has just stopped. The water level is 0 and the pump turns off automatically. Therefore, if your pump works, but does not pump out water, there can be 3 reasons of the breakdown. The first one is air in the system, as it was in our case. The second one is a float switch problem. And the third is a problem in the electronics. If I have to get into the tank, I will definitely make you a video and show what is going on there and where the float switch is located. It was Kotoff Fix channel. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.